Hey, what's up guys, and the exciting times are back. The CES 2020 has kicked off with full steam. Samsung has revealed some exciting stuff there, but nothing will be more exciting than what they're gonna reveal officially in the month of February, which is the Galaxy S20 family. There's a reason why Samsung is giving a lot of importance to the number 20. It's not just because of the year, it's also because of something else. Samsung is about to go ultra smooth on all the Galaxy S20 models. Yes, according to iSuniverse, Samsung will be bringing 120Hz OLED dynamic panel with all Galaxy S20 models, from the cheaper Galaxy S20, then to the S20 Plus, and then the S20 Ultra. I personally thought that 120Hz refresh rate will be exclusive to the Ultra model, but honestly, Samsung has completely surprised me with 120Hz panel on the affordable Galaxy S20 model. I think it's gonna be a really killer phone, especially when competing directly with the iPhone 11, which has a pretty terrible display. I'm pretty sure in comparison to the S20, it's not gonna be that nice. Depending on the pricing, the Galaxy S20 could be the most popular model among the whole series. Now it makes sense for all these phones to have bigger battery size, so now we can see why Samsung has 4000 mAh battery as like minimum size for the S20, and then going all the way up to 5000 for the S20 Ultra. Again, just like with the resolutions, you will be able to switch between refresh rates from 60 to 120Hz in the display settings. Now, in case you don't know, the Galaxy S10 Lite and the Note 10 Lite are officially announced. They're being displayed at CES 2020, so we have the actual hands-on videos as well as the trailer for the S10 Lite is coming to Indian market pretty soon, and most likely both of these models will come to United States as well. Here are the full specifications on these phones. Interestingly, these are the first phone from Samsung to have the tilt optical image stabilization, which is said to be even better than what Samsung has implemented with its flagship Galaxy S10 and Note 10 models. So steady video performance will be amazing, and of course something like this, or perhaps even better, will be implemented on the Galaxy S20 lineup. Now, speaking of CES 2020, Samsung has also revealed its bezel-less TV. Yes, a truly bezel-less TV. The TV is called as Q950 8K. Yes, it's an actual 8K TV with AI deep learning, and honestly, it looks absolutely amazing. It's rocking a whopping 99% screen to body ratio, and of course, that 8K resolution looks sharp. They've also announced a Galaxy Chromebook with a 13.3-inch 4K AMOLED display, Intel 10th generation core processor, 16 gigs of RAM, stereo speakers, 1TB SSD, and of course Chrome OS. It looks pretty thin, it has S Pen integration, and honestly that 4K AMOLED display will look pretty intense. With all the stuff that is announced at CES, nothing is more exciting than the artificial human, aka Neon Life. We're gonna be hearing about this pretty soon. Everything will be officially announced, all the details and everything. Basically, you'll be able to create like an AI version of yourself that you can communicate with and stuff. There's a whole new patent detail about this from Let's Go Digital, but what it actually is will be unveiled pretty soon, so I'm gonna do an updated video on that. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the Galaxy S20 family, and what do you think about the S10 Lite as well as the Note? What do you think the price should be for the Note 10 Lite model, especially since it's using the last gen processor? And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.